Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And you can see the weather pattern taking shape here. We do have this disturbance which is making its way into the Rockies here. One coming from the northern stream, another one taking a more southerly course. All this going to kind of come together to produce a pretty good round of showers and thunderstorms here that will increase as soon as tonight across the region. Meantime, temperatures tonight not going to drop that much with a breezy south wind, lots of clouds, rain increasing. We'll bottom out in the mid-50s across most of the Arklatex. Daytime highs tomorrow with a bit of an afternoon break in the rainfall. We'll climb back up into the low to middle 60s, 63 in Texarkana, 65 for the high tomorrow in Shreveport. Here's a look at Robin's to Futurecast, showing you the rainfall increasing as we make our way through the late night hours especially. I would anticipate hearing some thunder, but not much of a severe weather threat for tonight. That activity moves off towards the northeast. We'll take a little bit of a break, and then heading into the afternoon, especially late in the afternoon and during the evening hours, another cluster of thunderstorms will try to develop somewhere across the southern half of the Arklatex. This is the activity, if we have any severe weather concerns, this is the activity where basically that could deliver that threat of severe weather, especially across the southern sections of the region. That activity will slowly work its way towards the north, and you can see heading into Friday, we continue with periods of rain across much of the Arklatex as the main upper level low moves off towards the east. We'll see the rain begin to let up heading through Friday night into Saturday morning. Severe weather potential, Storm Prediction Center is still indicating just a marginal risk for severe storms. If we see a slight, it might come out for the southern sections of the area. But right now it looks like any severe weather that we see tomorrow will be rather isolated. Everything will be possible, including the threat for a few isolated tornadoes, especially over deep east Texas and northwest Louisiana, south of Shreveport. But all of us will have that chance for some isolated wind issues as well as a little bit of hail. Meantime, here's a look at what happens moving through the rest of Friday night into Saturday. You can see that chance for the rain will gradually wrap up Friday night. Latest run of Futurecast keeping quite a few clouds around the area for much of Saturday. Other models do clear the clouds out somewhat, so I think we'll at least close with some sunshine for Saturday and expect that sunshine to stick around as we go through the rest of the weekend. And actually, most of next week, if not all of next week, is looking rather dry. Rainfall potential, we're going to need that dry spell. As you can see, Futurecast still indicating upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall possible. Yesterday, they had the main focus of the heavier rains across the northwest half of the area. That has shifted to the south and east. But keep in mind, all of us will have that chance of seeing a couple of inches of rainfall from now through Friday night. So all that said, will that cause any flooding concerns? The latest outlook as far as excessive rainfall from the Weather Prediction Center indicates that just a marginal risk maybe across the northern sections of the area. So as of right now, it looks like we should be able to handle most of the rain that is on the way here across the Arklatex for the next couple of days. And the weather pattern, again, once this system clears, you can see that system moving across the Arklatex here through Friday. Once it clears, we'll be setting the stage for a rather extended period of dry weather. We'll have to watch another disturbance you see moving into northern Mexico by the middle of next week. It appears as if that will take enough of a southerly course that all of its rain could definitely stay towards south, but if we see any rain, it definitely will be on the way for the end of next week. But right now, it looks like we will likely stay dry. So here's your 7-day forecast for Shreveport, showing you that we will see, again, showers and thunderstorms around the area tomorrow. Another pretty good shot for some rain Friday. Coolest day will be Friday, but once that system clears, it's back up to normal for Saturday with highs in the upper 50s, low 60s in Shreveport for the rest of the 7-day period. Nighttime lows, for the most part, will be in the low 40s. In Texarkana, you're looking at temperatures that will climb into the low to middle 60s tomorrow, 50 for Friday, and then basically upper 50s for the rest of the week. Nighttime lows for the rest of the week, for the most part, in the upper 30s to low 40s. So again, looking at more heavy rain, a possibility starting late tonight through tomorrow night. It eases up some Friday and Friday night, and then the weekend, not looking too bad as some sunshine returns.